In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a bill in Xero, step by step. Whether you've entered a bill by mistake, duplicated it, or simply need to remove it from your accounts, I'll walk you through the correct way to do it so your records stay clean and accurate. Xero makes the process simple, but it's important to follow the right steps to avoid confusion in your reports. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu. You'll want to click on Business, and from the drop-down menu, select Bills to Pay under the Purchases section. This is where all of your supplier bills are stored. On this page, you'll see different tabs that organize your bills by status, such as Draft, Awaiting Approval, Awaiting Payment, and Paid. To delete or void a bill that's already been approved but not yet paid, click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This will show you a list of all bills that are currently outstanding and waiting to be paid. Now, find the specific bill you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have many bills in your system. Once you locate the correct bill, click directly on the bill to open it. This will take you to the detailed bill view where you can see the supplier name, bill date, due date, reference number, line items, and totals. Before moving forward, quickly double-check that you're selecting the correct bill. Deleting or voiding the wrong transaction can affect your financial reports, so it's always good practice to review the details carefully. With the bill open on your screen, look for the Bill Options drop-down menu. This is usually located near the top right area of the bill. Click on Bill Options, and you'll see several actions available. To remove the bill from your records, select Void. In Xero, you typically void a bill rather than permanently deleting it once it has been approved. Voiding keeps a record of the transaction for audit purposes, but removes its financial impact from your accounts. After clicking Void, Xero will ask you to confirm your decision. Click OK to confirm. Once confirmed, the bill will be marked as voided and will no longer appear as an outstanding payable in your awaiting payment list. And that's it. You've successfully deleted, or more accurately voided, a bill in Xero. Remember, if a bill is still in draft status, you may see a delete option instead of void, but for approved bills, voiding is the correct method. Always double-check the bill details before confirming to keep your bookkeeping accurate and clean. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero tutorials designed to make accounting simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.